Join a Telegram group with a QR code. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So in order to join a Telegram group via QR code, you have to use any scanner, built-in scanner in your phone, or if there is no QR code scanner in your app, you can just install it from your Play Store and then simply scan the QR code that you got from your friends or family to join the group of Telegram, and you will be done. That QR will lead you to the group. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.